At Lineup, we understand that not every piece of data is structured to fit into a custom field. So we give you the option to tag people with data that you would still like to track. First, if you click on the People tab, you can see that tags show up on a person's card in the gray bubbles. If you add a tag, they will always show up on a person's card. To add a tag, click on a person and underneath their profile picture, click the plus tag button. From there, you'll receive a drop-down of all the tags you've already used, or you can create a new one. Tags are also searchable. To do this, open the Tags drawer in your Filters window and choose the tag that you would like to search for.